Okay, here's a look at the new Echo Show 21. This is a $399 Amazon Echo screen, which is pretty big in size. I mean, if I put my hand next to it, it kind of shows you about how big this thing is. You just tap on the screen, and it's very like interactive with the swipe to touch. But right here is a camera. At the very top, it does have a shutter where you can take and swipe it over to close off the camera, so that way you have a little bit more privacy. On the top here, there are three different. There's a mute, arrow that way, arrow that way. It's got like almost like it's matted look with the white and the black. This is what the back side of it looks like. You can see there's some speakers here. And then it can be mounted to a wall. But I don't know, what are your guys' thoughts on this new Echo Show 21? Is it something that you'd be interested in? Is it worth the $400 price tag? I don't know. But it's Amazon's latest and greatest.